Okay, so this is a graph that's a little bit different than what we've seen so far in the course. You may have seen it last year in Year 10 or in other years. Just want you to spend about 30 seconds writing down what you notice about this graph. What's there that you notice? Okay, so that's about 30 seconds. I'll tell you some of the things I noticed and see if you also had them down, and you may have had some others. So I've noticed that there are steps in this, that some of the lines are bigger than others. There's a black dot at one end of the line or the interval and an open circle at the other. There's an arrow on the last one down the bottom. That it's about t-shirts, that the number of shirts is on one axis and the price per shirt. And I'm also noticing that it's going down, that the more shirts that I buy, the price is going down. So I also noticed that these are all straight lines, and if I was to write their equation, they've got a zero gradient, and we talked about that the other day. Okay, so what does the open circle mean and what does the closed circle mean? I'm going to draw a line straight up from here. So if I can get this to work, okay, done. Alright, so this line here, so if I'm going to make or buy 20 shirts, because it doesn't say whether I'm making them or buying them, I have to decide, is the cost going to be $15 a shirt or is it $20 a shirt? Okay, you may remember back to previous years what that means. So if it's got an open circle at the end of it, it means that my line can actually go straight through that, but it stops at the solid line. So it means 20 shirts is included in this first line here. So if I buy 10 shirts, the cost is 20 per shirt. If I buy 11, it's 20 per shirt. If I buy 20, it's 20 per shirt. However, the minute that I now go to 21 shirts, it's a different cost. It's $15 per shirt, and so on. What happens when I buy 40? 40 is going to be 15. What happens when I buy 60? 60 is 10. What happens when I buy 41? 41 is 10. So this is called a piece function because it's made of pieces. And the questions you'll get will be around usually these values here. So we're trying to assess, do you know that if I'm purchasing or making 80 shirts, is it costing me $5 or is it costing me 10? The other thing, what is the cost of 100 shirts? What happens? So from 81 shirts on, it's going to be $5 per shirt. Okay,